YouTubers, racing at Carnage 4x4 Adventures, and JK is doing a Smittybilt cage on a 07 to 11 JK. Put these templates on, drill out these 3/4 and then 7/16, and then try not to the car. This isn't part of the directions here, but it's not fitting right. So that's a hell of a lot better than it was. So I'm gonna grind out to right there. Safety first.
What the hell? Came this way.
Thanks, China.
Oh my gosh.
Is it way out?
Yeah. Something a little pry bar can't do, I don't think.
Wheeling.
There you go. To the right. Is that the right hole?
There's no such thing as the wrong hole.
What's the other hole for in this situation?
Which one?
Right here.
It's coming from the other way.
Oh. want me to do it? Like this?
No, there.
Where else do you want me to hit it? This thing's heavy. Step 18. Remove the center sound bar. Step 19. Install the front main plate from the front top bar back to the center roll cage. Figure 16, which is on the other side. Tighten the front where it clamps to the front crossbar snug. Figure 19.
Center punching. And then take it off and drill it. I see no reason to do that. Doesn't say whether you go all the way through, I don't think. But obviously you do. So, on the rear of this thing, after you drill these holes, put this in, you've got a notch padding. There's supposed to be some spacers that go in here, 3/4 inch OD with somewhere around 1/2 inch ID. Mine didn't have them. Luckily I have tubing at the shop that I made some, but they're still, paint's still drying. Launch that. This goes here. Bolt down there.
Is it not fitting properly?
No, it's not. Not sure why.
Everything's in place.
Everything is in place.
Jason's tightening all the bolts.
So, if you get one of these pieces of shit, read all the directions, the supplementals, because the directions that are in the front just tell you how to put all this shit on. Then you get to the back and it says, oh, these all need to go on before you start installing. But that's at the end of the directions. It's supplemental.